This demonstration explains the uses for a clamp meter as applied to welding. It is important to always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using any equipment and be aware of the equipment's maximum ranges. Calibration is essential for all welding inspection tools to ensure accurate readings. Insert the red test lead into the positive V terminal and the black test lead into the negative COM terminal. When checking for volts, select V for volts. When checking for amps, be sure to select the correct welding current, either AC or DC. Some units will have the option for DC and a polarity. Some units, such as this one, have built-in thermometers. Be sure to shut down the clamp meter and remove probes when finished.